Hey there, good morning, happy Tuesday, and also happy April. We're starting a new month of April here today, but we're off to the same foggy start that we saw yesterday on our Monday. We'll look at some dense fog currently in place for areas that are along the coast and for inland portions here in the coastal bend too. It's going to get into it right now, looking at our current visibility over in Rockport, down to Ingleside, Port Aransas. You guys are all looking at around 2 miles or less for your current visibility. Heading on towards inland neighborhoods like Robstown, Kingsville, and Alice, you guys are looking at around 2 miles or less as well for your visibility right now. So just make sure that heading out the door, you're taking that extra time to drive safely and get your morning started on a safe note. So we do have that dense fog advisory currently in place for areas that are along the coast until 10 o'clock this morning. I know we did see, as we just showed you just a moment ago, we do have some dense fog for inland portions of coastal bend, but right now the dense fog advisory is only currently in place for areas that are along the coast. But just no matter where you encounter that dense fog across the coastal bend, just make sure you take it seriously and drive safe heading out the door this morning. But what else you can expect in your forecast besides that dense fog right now that we're waking up to, and for this week in general, we'll be looking at some hot and muggy conditions lasting for us and really increasing ahead for tomorrow and your Thursday. Strong southeast winds will be coming in later on this afternoon too, going anywhere between 15 up to 20 miles an hour, and maybe even gusting nearby 30 miles an hour by this afternoon. So windy conditions will settle in today and extend throughout the majority of our work week too. And then we'll also have another cold front that's going to pass on through by this weekend, increasing our rain chances ahead for us on our Sunday, maybe a little bit into Monday too, but really right now Sunday looking to be our most promising rain opportunity in the forecast this week. And looking at our current temperatures, I feel like temperatures were off to a muggy and humid start. Temperatures already getting up towards the lower to mid 70s right now. So on the count of all that moisture, that's why we're going to be waking up to a bit of a humid start already for us on this Tuesday. But we'll see by this afternoon and temperatures increasing towards the lower 80s. We'll be under mostly cloudy skies, maybe a couple pockets of sunshine here and there later on this afternoon. But whether we get that sunshine or not, we're still not going to really feel a big cool down currently in place. We'll still be looking at our air temperatures at least reaching towards the lower 80s, but then our feel like temperatures, they'll still be reaching towards the low 90s, maybe the upper 90s for inland neighborhoods. So for today, our heat risk is at a minor stage, so no concerns there for today. But as we look ahead towards an increase in our temperatures towards the 90s for tomorrow and your Thursday, we'll start to see a bit of a moderate risk for heat risk coming into the forecast for inland neighborhoods by tomorrow, then extending a bit throughout more inland portions of coastal bend by your Thursday as well. So elevated heat risk will be in the forecast just because we'll be looking at higher totals in towards our temperatures ahead for tomorrow and your Wednesday, and then on your Thursday as well, temperatures reaching the upper 90s, of course, for our feel like temperatures as well. So that moisture and humidity, that's going to be the main culprit as to why we'll be dealing with this summer-like heat that is going to be in place in the forecast. But like I noted, we'll have a cold front that's going to pass on through, indicated with that drier air coming back into the forecast by this weekend. So with that drier air coming on in, we'll see a change coming with our forecast, temperatures dropping well below average, and rain chances that will increase beginning on Saturday and then extend towards your Sunday. Now, it's not going to be a washout. It's looking to be that the rain chances will start to come in late on Saturday, then linger in towards your Sunday as well. So we'll just see if we'll hold on to those rain chances. They are kind of dwindling a little bit as we get closer, but right now, still looking like we'll get some rain, some parts of the coastal bend on your Sunday. Looking at your 7-day forecast, windy conditions with summer-like heat that will remain to be in the area throughout our work week. Then, of course, that cold front passing on through, giving us cooler, below average temperatures by next week.